Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is There Is None Like You, and we're using Marvin Sapp version. We're in the key of A flat today, guys. And this song was requested by Bryce Cameron. Let's give it up for Bryce. Thank you so much, Bryce, for this awesome song. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. Alright guys, let's get it. We're in the key of A flat. That's A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we have the awesome Marvin Sapp in the building. He is coming to bless us with his awesome voice. And guys, you know what? This is the time that we're going to just stretch our knuckles. All right, well, let's wiggle them. And I think we're ready. Guys, let's receive Marvin Sapp with There Is None Like You. That was Marvin Sapp with There Is None Like You. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with that's our intro, right? So we're on our 4. We're playing our B flat minor chord, going to the 3, A flat major chord, going to the 2, and we're playing our D flat 6 chord. What we're doing is we're going to the 7 flat, and we're playing this B flat minor chord, going to our 6, A flat major chord, going right back to that B flat minor chord, just inverted, and we're on the 5, like. Still on the 5, we're playing this D flat inverted 7 chord. Alright, we're ending on our 1, that's an A flat major chord. Turn around, we're on our 6, playing this chord right here, just a D flat 2 chord, going to our E flat major chord on the 7. I worship you, Almighty God. Alright, let me give you that. So we're on the 1. We're playing this D flat minor 6 chord. resolving on our 1, A flat major chord. Going to our 3, that's an E flat 7 flat 5 chord. Almighty God. E flat major chord on the 6. What is that? This is our beautiful turnaround. We're playing this chord and we're playing it over the 6. See what I'm doing? I'm going E flat, D flat. There is none like you. What is all of that? That's a D flat 7 chord on the 2. Right there on the 5, we're playing our D flat 7 chord, just invert it. Then we're playing this beautiful chord here, grab it, still on the 5, you. Now we're on our 1, and that's an E flat 6 chord. Turn around. We're on our 6, we're playing this D flat major chord, just adding that E flat there. Then we're going to our 7, E flat major chord. I worship you. You see it's the same chord? Oh, Prince of Peace. It changes up right here. That is what I long to do. Alright, what did I do? I went to the 1, same chord. We're going to our 3, we're changing up right here. It's just the same chord, we're just inverting it. Oh, Prince of Peace. Alright, what is that? So right there, we're on our 6, and we're playing this chord right here. This is an E flat 7 chord. That is what I long to do. So what I'm doing is I'm right here on my 2. I'm playing my A flat 7 chord first. Then I'm releasing. I'm going to my B flat dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to the 6. That F minor chord is, we're going to the B flat diminished 7. What? That's an F minor chord. I long. Right here on the 2, we're playing this beautiful chord here. A flat 6 chord, grab it. To do. Now we're playing this beautiful chord here. I give you praise. Alright, little jazzy. We're making it a little jazzy. So we're on the 7, we're playing our A major chord. We're going to the 3. We're playing this E diminished 7 chord. Then right here on the 6, we're playing this C6 chord. For you are my righteousness. Alright, let me give you that. We're kind of doing that same walk up. We're on the 6, F minor chord. Going to our 7, we're playing this B flat diminished 7 chord. Going right back to that F minor on the 1. Right here on the 2, we're playing this A flat 6 chord. Justice. We're playing this beautiful big C major chord, just adding that too. Going to the 6 flat, D7 flat 5 chord. Going to our 5, we're playing this D flat 7 chord. Then we kind of hit it like that. That's a E flat 13 chord on the 5. I worship you. Same thing, guys. Almighty God, there is none like you. All right, what is that? There is none like you. We went there. We're right here on the 4. We're playing this F minor chord. Going to our 3, and we're playing an E flat major chord. Going to our 2, D flat major chord. Going to our 5, E flat major chord. Beautiful. I love that. We're on the 4, and we're playing this A flat major chord. So we go. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. All right, let me give you that. So we're right here on the 4, but technically we would be on the 1 if this song was to start right here. So let's just go to the 1. All All right, we're going on the 1. We're playing an A flat major chord. Just walking down, that's a 7 E flat major chord. Going to the 6, that's an A flat major chord. Going to the 3, we're playing this E flat 6 chord. G flat diminished 7 chord on the 6. Going to my 2, we're playing this D flat 6 chord. Dropping down, F augmented on the 2 flat. Going to my D flat major chord on the 2. We're walking up. Alright, let me give you that. So we're on the 2, we're playing the D flat major chord. Going to the 3, E flat major chord. F minor chord on the 5 flat. Going to my 5, E flat major chord. Keep on walking up, we're on our 6, D flat major. Going to the 7, E flat major chord. I can search throughout eternity, Lord. Alright, let me give you that. We're on the 1, we're playing the A flat major chord. Going down to our 7, E flat major chord. Playing this beautiful chord on the 7 flat. That's an E7 sharp 5. Lord. Right here on the 6, we're playing a D flat major chord. Now we're going right back to our intro. And find there is none like you. And that's our intro, right? Now, if you want to turn it around right there, you know how at the end they will go. There is none like you. All right, what did I do? I went, there is none. Now right here, when we're on the 5, we just go up to our 6 flat. We're playing our D flat diminished 7 chord. Going up to our 6. That's an A flat 6 chord. Then we're going. All right, let me give you that turnaround. What I'm doing is I'm walking up to my 3. I'm playing my 2, my 3 flat. Right there on the 3, I'm playing this big, beautiful chord here. We're resolving on the A augmented chord. Now we're right here on the 2. We're playing our D flat 6 chord. There is none like you. Guys, that's the whole song. I hope this was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the pain I tried to ignore. I remember being younger, rushing into work one morning with a sharp shooting pain cut through my lower back. It hit me hard, but just as quickly as it came, it disappeared. At first, it's a back spasm, I told myself, so I slapped on an icy hot patch, grabbed a drink, and kept it moving. The next day, same pain, same patch, same routine. I convinced myself I was managing it, but really I was ignoring it. Then came that morning. The pain didn't just return, it demanded attention. I couldn't take a deep breath without feeling like something inside me was tearing. That's when fear hit me harder than the pain ever had. I finally went to the doctor. After a few tests, he walked in with a look that froze me in place. "It's your appendix," he said. "If you had waited much longer, it could have ruptured." Just like that, my casual patch and go attitude was exposed for what it was. Dangerous denial. They got me into surgery, stitched me up, and by God's grace, I lived to see another day. Life lesson. Ignoring small warning signs can lead to big consequences. Pay attention, take action early, and honor the signals your life and your body are giving you. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and joining me, working with me on today. And Bryce, thank you again for that awesome song. Please request more. You know what, guys? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard somebody say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. Right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know what, guys? They tell me it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. Let's try it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year. I love you guys. And you know what? You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing out.